my name is Gail Brantek, and I run my family business called Glenelg Marine Designs. And since 1953, we've been providing plans, kits, supplies to build your own boat. And this is such a fun hobby, I just wanted to get the word out a little bit more through video. And we have some great video of some of our boats in action, and these are boats that guys just like you have built using our plans, and they've either built their own motor or they've used an outboard, whatever, but they've done some beautiful work. The first video is a boat that Dwayne Colton built. He's in Oregon, and he put in a 283 Chevy, a small block, and it's just the sound of the motor on the water is awesome. So I kind of left that with no music behind it. And then the next cuts are just boats in action, again, that guys have built, just like you, from one of our gatherings that we have every year in Alabama. This year's going to be in Tennessee. And we have these really fun get-togethers that the guys on our forum, they organize and put on. So anyway, I wanted to share with you about building your own boat. And if you enter the URL that's on this video into your browser, it'll take you to a page where you can download a free catalog of over 300 boats you can build yourself. So I hope you'll do that as soon as this video is over, because I look forward to seeing you on the other side.
We really wanted